Hi, I'm Shaw Grigsby. I'm a professional bass fisherman, and I've been in bass boats for over 27 years. A lot of fun riding in these things, but I tell you one thing that's a pain is taking your key and going around and locking 7 compartments. That's why I got this. This is the greatest little invention. It's called the Key Captain from Sarasota Quality Products. Really neat deal. One push of the button, all the compartments lock, every one of them. So if I go to a restaurant, I just lock them all with one push, just like you would your car. It's the neatest little invention. Great thing. Sarasota Quality Products called the Key Captain. I love this deal.